What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel, and welcome to my channel for those of you who are new. My name is Dipped in Black, also known as Kettle. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how I make barbecue chicken. I am not Gordon Ramsay. I'm not the best chef, but I do know how to cook, so I'm going to show you, I guess, how I prepare everything. So let's go ahead and get right into it. I already had my chicken seasoned, so I'm just going to show you guys what it looks like after I let it sit and soak in its own marinade or its own juices for about 2 hours. So, as you can see, for my seasoning, I don't want to get my hands dirty, so this is why I'm doing this. For my seasonings, I used regular salt, garlic salt, some paprika to give it this nice red coloring. What else? What else did I use? For my seasonings, I used regular salt, paprika, of course black pepper, some sazon, and I believe basil leaves. And then I also, after I got done seasoning it, I put soy sauce so it can kind of suck that up in as well too. So that whole mixture was sitting for about 2 hours. Now I'm gonna go ahead and put it in the oven. Preheated the oven to 400, and we're gonna go ahead and put these in. Right here, as you guys previously saw, me taking the chicken out of this silver bowl and the seasoning that it was in, or like the juices that it was sitting in for a little bit. I'm gonna go ahead, I'm trying something new. This is not what I usually do, but I'm gonna see if this also works. But I'm using ketchup to put into what was left over from, like, I guess what it was sitting in. I'm gonna mix that together, and then maybe after like a good 20 minutes or 30 minutes, I'm gonna use this and I'm gonna lather the chicken. Alright, so I actually waited longer than 20 minutes, so let's check on the chicken. Okay, looking good. Alright, we're gonna go ahead and take our little concoction and pick up some sauce and lather. You see how it's still a little bit white on the other side? That's what this little concoction, that's what this is for. You cook with it or something like that. For some reason, it just gives it a different flavor and it just makes it a lot more tastier. Grassland salted butter. It says 2 tablespoons, but I'm kind of just gonna measure it out on my own. I think this is about enough. Make some diced carrots as well. Ooh. Take it off. Let's check on the chicken. Looking good. It's not done yet. It's not the way that I know Bam likes it. So I'm gonna keep that cooking for a little bit longer. First thing I'm gonna do is add this to that, and then we're gonna add this one to the chicken. Okay, I'm gonna try that little small piece. About 10 minutes passed by. We're gonna take our chicken out. I already turned the stove off. Alright, now we're gonna take our hickory smoked barbecue sauce. Onto the chicken. Raven Baxter. Yeah, that looks pretty good. All right, let's open. It looks beautiful, you guys. And this is what it looks like. Barbecue chicken, kettle style.